Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove background in the Google Slides. So for example, we have here this slide with the image background. If you want to remove it, you need to go to background settings, and after that you need to click on this option reset to dim. We need to click on it, and after that background will be removed. But of course you can change it to different color, for example to this one or this one. But maybe I will set here white color because we have here on default in our dim. And then I click done button, and after that background will be successfully deleted from the slides. Unfortunately, if you are here because you want to remove background from the image, for example, if you insert here an image from insert tab, and you will go to image and upload from computer, and you will select an image and upload it, you will not be able to remove background from this image because there is no any option in Google Slides to do it. So in this way you can easily remove background from the slides in Google Slides. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.